Everyone, welcome back to my channel Daily English Talk. And how are you all of you? How are you doing all of you? I think everyone are doing great and well and enjoying her life. I am also doing well. And let's begin the video. So today I will tell you a truth. In a life, there is a one truth that many people don't want to hear this. That is, no result, keep working. No result, keep working. Good result, keep working. Bad result, keep working. That is, and one thinks nothing change overnight. Nothing change overnight. Everything takes time. Everything takes time. In case of learning English, in case of success, everything needs time and patience and and consistency, like that. So what I tell you, in example of a seed, if you plant a seed, and one day never give fruits, because in one day, in it grows, in inside the soil. Roots are growing. After 1 month, the fruits gives, because in you don't think ki, in 1 month is waste. In 1 month the plant is preparation and build her foundation. He inside the soil, inside the soil, inside the soil, roots growing. Inside the soil, roots growing. Inside the soil, roots growing to give fruits. And in 1 month, the roots is strong. After 1 month, the fruit is gives. Why I am telling this example? Because in case of English, in case of success of life, like that. So in the first, I want to I tell you, keep no result, keep working, like that. So if you are learning English, if you want to like, all want to success, all want to speak English fluently, all want to improve herself, build confidence, but they don't. But few people are face silence, because they thought silence is the uh, failure. But silence is not failure. Silence is the preparation. Silence is the preparation. Like in exam, in case of exam, you in exam, in exam, example of a boy. He 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 study in her home because of her exam. This he study, and he give silence and study. He study 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. He preparation, like that. They call preparation, exam preparation, like that. In every field, give preparation. Like that means silence is not a failure. Silence is the preparation. He they build her foundation strong, like that. So don't doesn't mean silence means failure. Okay, understand? Next type into next type, like no result, keep working. Tell you, but when you show good result, some 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 people are, when they show good result, they are stop, they are enjoying, and they are happy, and they delay her work, and they thought, I'm in good, like in the example of, in case of example of English language. They feel they are speak English well, and they little confident. Then they thought, my English is good. And they delay, and they are not practice. Maybe they are uh, maybe they are break consistency. But in success is not a goal. Success is not target, not last point. Success is a, what I say, success is, uh, what I say, success is, okay, success is not ending point. It is a, I thought it is middle point. When you will, when you are little success, then you don't thought, I am good. That time also keep working. And who is in little success and little confident, that time also he is consistent. They are not fail in life. They are not fail in life, and they are not um they are not lose. and that time also keep working, keep going, because some few are understood success, and they are little confident, they are little know about English, they are speak confidently English, then they thought my English is good, I am not practice, they are not practice like first day or second day, they lose, and they are thought my English is good, and they are not practice like that, then that first day they are practice. So if you are little confident, then enjoy. If your success, then enjoy, but not enjoy too much. That time also keep learning, keep going. And the next is, when you are uh, fail fail, when you are fail, that time also you are not feel bad, and keep learning, keep going, keep practicing, because every, and what I say, why I am telling, no result keep working, bad result keep working, little like great result keep working, because consistency matter, because consistency is matter, because every day you are consistently doing one thing, regularly doing one thing, that definitely you can success one day. And if you challenge, guys, you are, if you are doing consistently every day, you do regularly, then definitely one day you are success. No one can, this is the, this is the law, this is the uh, this is the thing. Then everyone know, but they don't they don't, because but everyone know success is like that. Everyone, like you are consistent in your life, you are doing every day one thing, then definitely you can learn new thing every day, and you can achieve great. But they don't, why they don't consistent? Because because first point, their goal is not clear, and they feel lazy. But when you are consistent in your life, when you are achieve, you try to achieve new thing, then consistency is matter. And guys, and why I'm not good at English, I'm not good at English, I don't know what I say, but what comes in my mind I only say. I I I tell every my video, I'm not perfect, I don't know grammar, I don't know, but I try. I try to speak something in English, and I try to explain. Keep. I try to explain and describe a thing that is no result. Keep working. Bad result. Keep working. Get result. Keep working. Consistency is the king. Consistency is the key. So if I make any mistakes, if I made any mistakes, so please forgive me as a brother, and please suggest me how I can improve my English, and how I can improve my English, and how I can better 1%. So I say, I tell, every day little effort you do, like every day 1% you better than three in a year. Not, I am not say in 1 year, in 1 month you get better 30%, you get better 30%. If you do little effort daily, then you can definitely learn anything, and you can achieve anything in your life. And I thought, and I feel, every time you are thought big, every time you thought big, because in quits, right, you try to achieve, you try to achieve sun, you not say sun, you try to achieve big, then definitely you can achieve little. And you try to achieve little, then then doesn't doesn't have anything. But you thought big, and you try to achieve big, then definitely you have little, and you little. So this video is long now, so, and again I tell, i i I made any mistake, so please forgive me as a brother. And if you want to, and if you want to watch my next video, then please like, share and subscribe, and please subscribe me if you want to see my next video. And I will meet in the next video. Keep learning, keep going, and keep practicing. Maintain your consistency and stay happy. Stay happy. Let's bye bye.